Hello students, welcome to Vidya Guru. Today's topic is successive discount, which comes under profit and loss topics.
Before solving the question of discount, always remember discount always happens on mark price, that is on MP. Whenever the question will ask, the MP concept will be given in the discount question. Okay, and one more thing, discount question can be solved in different ways, like in the form of ratio method, a percentage method, like this. So always remember the question will be asked, the little bit tricky question will be asked with the concept of CP. There will be CP, thereafter SP, and thereafter MP. So what happened in ratio method, there will be some relation between CP and SP, either SP and MP, or either CP or MP will be given. Okay, so in that way you have to use the concept, and thereafter with the help of ratio concept as well you can see. So we will see the different questions and tricky questions as well. Like before that, we will see some concept and some formula of discount. The first part is A plus B minus A into B upon 100. What is this? Basically, this is the concept of two discount. If there is two discount is given, like the question is saying 10% and 20% successively discount is given. Okay, so we have to use this concept. Okay, 10% plus 20% is not equal to 30% when the concept of successive is given there. Okay, so we have to use this concept, like 10 plus 20, it will become how much? You can say 30, and thereafter minus 10 into 20, it will become 200. Okay, upon 100. So it will be 230 minus 2, it will be how much? 28% is overall discount will be given, and discount will be used. Okay, so we will see these things in different questions. Let's see the first question. Okay, so see, the question is saying a retailer, basically a retailer is given, a retailer offers the following discount schemes for buyers on an article. The first part is given just on two successive discount, that is 10%. Thereafter a discount of 12% followed by a discount of 8%. What does it mean? There are, see, the first part is 10% two times. It means what? If you use the concept of 10% with the help of that formula, so it will become how much? You can say 20 minus 10 into 10 will be equal to how much? 100 upon 100. It will be 1 here. So from here, the first part, it will be, we will get how many discount? We will get how much discount? 19%. For the second part, see, 12% and followed by 8%. So it will be 12 plus 8, it will be how much? 20 minus 12 into 8, it will be 96. 96 upon 100, which is equal to 0.96. If you subtract it, you will get how much? You can say 19 point, okay, 19 point something. That will be 19 point, you can say 04, right? Thereafter, the third discount, if we say successive discount of 15 and 5%, what does it mean? 15 and 5 will be equal to how much? You can say 20 minus 15 into 5. It will be 75 upon 100. 75 upon 100 is how much? You can say 0.75. So from here, you will see how much discount we will get. We will get 19.25% discount we will get, right? Now the third part is given 15. Okay, we have calculated this part, and this part. Thereafter, a discount of 20%. Discount of 20% means what? You can say completely 20%, only 20% discount. Okay, so now see, the selling price will be minimum under the scheme. So we have to think, we have to see in which scheme we will get the minimum discount. Okay, sorry, minimum selling price. So see here, first part we are getting 19% discount, second part 19.05, third part 19.25, and in fourth we are seeing 20% discount. What does it mean? If discount is maximum, we will get the minimum selling price. So in this scheme, which will be the beneficial for us? We can say the beneficial part will be the fourth part. Yes or no? So our answer should be the fourth one. Okay, because see here, we can say that here we can say that the discount is 20% we are getting here. That is 20% is maximum discount among these four. Okay, so that's why our answer should be how much? Our answer should be the fourth one. Okay, I hope you get this concept. Now we will move to the next question and see, we will use the concept as well. Now see the second question. Okay, second question, it is given that a merchant purchases a wristwatch for rupees 450. Okay, it means what? The CP of that merchant will be 450 and fixes its list price in such a way that after allowing a discount, we will get a discount of 10%. He earns a profit of 20%. Find the list price of the watch. Remember, whenever the question of this type comes, never, okay, see, this data is smaller. You can say 450, we can calculate the discount, and thereafter you can say thereafter discount, and thereafter MP, and thereafter CP, okay, or thereafter SP. But see, always use the concept of percentage first, and thereafter use the data. Okay, that will be beneficial for us. If the data is bigger in the question, then it will be very you can say hectic to solve the entire questions. Okay, now see, if let it be, there are different methods. We will see the different method how to solve this question. Let it be, if I am taking the CP, let it be, if I'm assuming CP is 100 rupees. Okay, let it be, I have assumed CP as 100 rupees. So what should be the MP and what should be the SP? So we can say that SP will be how much? The question is saying after allowing a discount, we are getting, that person is getting 20% profit. It means that if CP is 100, SP will be 120. Now remember, this SP we will get, see, after taking a discount on MP, if we give a discount on MP, we will get SP, yes or no? We will get SP. So the question is saying after allowing a discount of 10%, he earns a profit of 120. Now remember, this 120 is what? We can say this 120 is what here? You can say that this 120 is nothing but after allowing a discount, that is on MP, if we allow a discount, we will get SP. So we can say that if we want to find the value of MP, we can say this 120 is nothing but, we can say this 120 should be the value of 90%, or you can say this should be the value of 0.9 as well. Okay, and we need the value of 100%. So if we calculate 100%, so we will get what? You can say we will get the MP, yes or no? Now if you have to solve this question, see, this 33s are and 34s are, okay, so we can say see here, we will see 400 upon 3. We can say that 403 is nothing but 403 is what? Our MP. Okay, now we will calculate these two things and relate these two things like this. We can say 450 is the value of 100%, 100, that is the CP, and what we need the value of this 400 by 3. 400 by 3 is nothing but 400 by 3 is our MP here, and the question is asking with you find the list price of the watch, right? So see, if you solve this, it will be 0 0 will be cancelled out, 3 into 150, we will get how much? We will get 600 will be our MP. So this is the first approach. While you solving the question, we should have different approach. Okay, and whatever we are in whatever the approach in which we are comfortable, we should use that, or we should follow that method. Okay, so this is the first approach. We can say that 600 should be our right answer. Okay, we can think like this also. If 450 is given, this should be our data. Okay, so just use this concept as well, like this. See, if I'm erasing this part, so we can see this, we can say that, see here, 450 is our CP. We can say that CP is nothing but CP is 450 here, right? And see, then what should be our SP? We are getting how much? We are getting 20% as a profit. So SP will be how much? We can say 450 of 120, yes or no? Means 450 is the CP. So if you want SP here, we can say 450 out of if we use 450 into 120 by 100, if we will get what? We will get the CP here, SP here. Okay, so just solve this. We will get how much? 45 into 12, which will be equal to 540. You can use this concept as well. See, 45 into 12. If you multiply it, simply do this thing. Just double this. 45 into 2 we will get 90, and we can write 12 as well. 9 into 6, we will get how much? 540. Now you can say that 540 we have 540. It means this 540 should be our SP. Now if we want, the question is asking with you that what should be the list price of that watch. That means question is asking with you the MP. So we can say that 540 is nothing but 540 is our SP, and this 540 we have got just because we have allow a discount of 10% on MP. So if you want to find the MP, we can say that 540 is nothing but 540 should be the value of 90%. If you will find 540 should be the value of 90%, and if we want to find value of 100%, so if you solve it, we will get this part as what? With this part will be as RMP. So 540 upon 90 into 100 will be equal to 96. So it will be equal to 6. Okay, so from this method also we will get 600. That means C should be our right answer. That is C is our right answer. This is the second approach. You can also use the concept of you can use the concept of ratio as well in this question. So just use the concept of that ratio. Just see here how we can solve the question, this question with the help of ratio as well. So see here, we can say that, see 4,450, these things is given. So if I have written here CP, SP, and thereafter MP. Now we know that, see CP and SP, so we are getting 20% profit. 20% means nothing but we can say 1/5. It means if CP is 5, what should be our SP? It means 5 plus 1, we are getting 20% profit. So if we can say that if our CP is 5, then we can say SP should be 6. Yes or no? If CP is 5, we can say SP should be 6. Now just see, we are giving or allowing a discount of 10% as well. 10% is nothing but 1/10. If we can say that 10 is our MP, so how much our CP, how much should be our SP? So 10 minus 1 will be how much? You can say 9 should be our SP. So we can write here, if 10 is our MP, okay, 9 should be our SP. Now there are different method. Okay, just simply see this is the ratio concept. Okay, you must have read about this concept in ratio as well. Just see, this should be shifted here and this should be shifted here. 9 here. Now see, CP we will get how much? 45. SP we will get how much? We can say 40, 54, and MP we will get how much? 60. Okay, got it. This is also divisible by 3. If you want to just okay, cut it, you can divide it by 3. But still the question is saying 450 is your, how much? 450 is your CP. So if here 45 is your CP, if you multiply this whole part as 10 with 10, so we will get 450 as CP. Okay, 540 as your SP, and 60 into 10, 600 will be your what? You can say MP, and that is a list price as well. Okay, so your answer should be the C part, that is 600 should be right answer. I hope you get this concept with 3 different methods. Okay, now we will apply these things in different questions as well. Okay, now see. Okay, so see, the next question is saying the market price of a clock is rupees 3,200. Okay, so in this question MP is given, right? Now it is to be sold at rupees 2,448. Okay, at 2 successive discount. The question is saying 2 successive discount we have basically used here, right? So if the first discount is 10%, then the second discount. Now remember, see, we will use the different concept here. See, we know that MP is given here. See, try to understand the concept here. MP and SP is given. MP is given how much? You can say MP is given 3,200 and SP is given 2,448. Okay, so why not we use this concept that just cancel all the common part. It means that I am taking it in the format of ratio. What does it mean? See, this is very common. Let it be. Just try to understand with the question. Like, see, if let it be, if I'm taking MP or whatever, MP is 100, and after giving 20% discount, SP will be how much? You can say 80 rupees. Now see, if I'm cancelling 80 here, see 25 and 24 5:4. Now even we can say that here we are getting how many discount? How much discount? We can say 20% we are getting here discount. So the same thing I'm doing here. I'm just cancelling it out. Okay, with let it be, I'm solving it with divided it by 4. So it will become how much? You can say 400, and if we divide this part, it will be 8 3s are 24, 0, and 8 6s are 48. Right now, similarly, yeah, this is cancelled out with 2 as well. See, 2 into 200, and it will be how much? 153. Now, see, we can say that if MP is 200 rupees. Now, see here, if MP is 200 rupees, so SP is how much? You can say SP is 153. Now, see here, if we cancel it out, see how much discount we are getting here. We can say discount is nothing but 47. See, 47 discount out of 200. Okay, so this is not the percentage. We can't say that 47% discount we are getting. No, we are getting 47 discount out of 200. So out of 100 will be how much? It will be divided by 2. It means we can say this part is a 23.5%. We are getting a discount. Right here. Now try to understand the concept here. The question is given that first discount is 10% is given here. So we need the other discount. So see, we can go with the option as well. We know the formula. This, see, a plus b minus ab upon 100. If we put it, if we put the option, we'll get the simple, we'll get the answer. Yes or no? Let it be, if I'm taking the first option, that is the 5%. Now see, first discount is 10%, and if we take 5%, it will become 15 minus thereafter the other part. See, 15 minus thereafter, so it won't be equal to 23.5. So our first option is wrong here, right? Now if, let it be, if we take 10%, even if we take 10% as well, we will get less than 20%. So this shouldn't be our answer as well. So 20% is, 10% is also wrong. Let it be, if we take C is equal to 15%. Okay, so if we take 15%, okay, so see, 10 plus 20, 10 plus 20, 15, we will get 25%, and thereafter minus AB. Minus AB means 10 into 15 will be how much? 150. 150 upon 100, we will get 1.5, which is nothing but which is equal to 2, you can say 23.5%. That's it. Where our answer should be 23.5%. Let it be, if we take 20%, see, 20 plus 10, it is equal to 30%, and thereafter 2% discount, it will be equal to 28%. So this is also not our option. Okay, so our answer should be what? You can say C, that is 15%. So in this method, if you solve like this, so it will take less time. Okay, and there are other method also. If you use with the concept of X, then it will take lots of time. Okay, so we have to save the time. So for that, what we should do, just solve this like this. That's why we have taken the ratio here. We understood the concept that out, if MP is 200, we are selling it after discount that out of on 150. So just because of this, we are getting a discount of 23.5%. Now, first discount is constant here, 10%. Now we have to think, or we have to just take the option like this, the 15%, 5%, 10%, and thereafter 15%, and that 15% is suited here. That's why we will get the right answer of 15%. Okay, so I hope you get this concept. Okay, so now we will get move to the next question. Okay, now see here, the question is saying the difference between a discount of 30% and two successive discount of 20% and 10% on the mark price of an article is rupees 144. The mark price of the article is, see here, the question, the difference between a discount of 30% and two successive discount of 20% and 10%, right? See here, 30% and two successive discounts. See, 30%, okay, and two successive discount means 20 and 10. 20 and 10, you are aware about this concept. 20 plus 10, 30 minus 2, how much it should be? 28%, right? See, if we have two successive discount, that is 20% and thereafter 10%. So 20 plus 10 will be how much? You can say 20 plus 10 will be how much? You can say 30, and 30 minus 2, how much you will get? You will get 2%. Okay, so the difference is 2% here. The question is, the difference between a discount of 30 and two successive discount of 20% and 10% on the mark price of an article is 144. The mark price of that article. See, we can say 144 is the value of what? We can say 144 is the value of 2%, because just because of 2% we are getting this 144. So 144 is the value of 2%, and what we need the value of 100%, because on 100 we are getting two discount. Now that the first part is 30, and thereafter the two successive discount, that is 20% and 10%. So how much the value should be? 7200 will be the right answer. Okay, so your answer should be the A part, that is 7200 should be the right answer. I hope you get it. See, the question is saying the difference between a discount of 30%, okay, and two successive discount of 20% and 10%. 20% and 10% means what? You can say 20% and 10% means 28%, and thereafter difference will be 30 minus 28. So 2%, which should be equal to 144, and thereafter the value. Okay, now we will see the next question. Question is saying a medicine merchant marks his goods as at rupees 300 and allows a discount of 25%. If he still gains 12.5%, then the first price. See, we can use the ratio concept and thereafter the other concept as well. Okay, so if we use the ratio concept, see, question is saying a medicine merchant marks his goods at 300. So 300 is your MP, okay, and allows a discount of 25%. 25% means what? It should be 1 by 4. Okay, if 4 is MP and we are getting 1 rupees discount, so see, so you can say SP will be how much? You can say SP will be 3 rupees. Yes or no? So just writing here CP, MP, CP, I'm writing here SP here. Why SP is here? Because see, these two is related. So remember, write in this format CP, SP and MP, and you can change according to the question as well. So see, 25% discount means what? You can say 25% discount means this. If we have MP is 4, okay, if MP is 4, the SP will be 3. If he still against 12.5%, 12.5%, remember 12 and half, it means 1 by 8, right? If we have, we can say if we have 8 rupees as your CP, so 1 rupees is your profit, so SP will be how much? 9, right? So we can say that CP, if we have CP is 8, so SP will be 9, right? So now see, there are two terms here. Don't just don't calculate like this. You can see, you can relate, because see, SP is common here. So if this is part 9 is 9, this is 3. So we should make this part as well 9, because in our question there it shouldn't be possible that SP is 3 and similarly SP is 9. Okay, so just multiply this whole part as 3. If you multiply this whole part as 3, okay, so how much you will get? This part we will get 9 and this part will be get 12. Okay, and 8 will be similar. So SP will be how much? SP 8, CP 9 and MP will be 12. Now see here, the question is saying a medicine merchant marks his goods at rupees 300. So 12 should be the value of 300, yes or no, you can say. And the cost price, the question is asking with you the cost price. So we can say 300 should be the value of how much? You can say 12. Okay, and what we need? We need the value of 8 here. Okay, so 12 into 25, see 12 to the 24 and 605. So your answer should be 25 into 8 will be how much? You can say 200 should be your right answer. So your answer should be the B part, should be your right answer. Okay, I hope you get this concept. Okay, right? Now see, got it? Simple. Question is saying medicine merchant marks is good at rupees 300 and allows a discount of 25%. See, you can solve this question like this as well. See, if we are concentrating on this part, that's see, 300 is what? You can say 300 is your MP. Okay, and on MP, okay, see, on MP we are giving 12.5% profit, 12.5% discount. So we can say if we calculate this part, see, 300. Okay, if we give 12.5% discount, what does it mean? It means this, if we want this part as 87.5, this should be a little bit calculated, but you can think like this also. If we find 87.5, okay, into 87.5%, 87.5% is what? 87.5%, this should be your SP, right? Okay, now still we are getting what? Still we are getting 20%. See, and then also discount. See, it should be how much? It should be 75%, because discount is 25%, and if it still gain 12.5%, what 12, and if the question is saying it is still against 12.5%, so this should be the value. This, from here we get SP, and on SP we are getting to 12.5% profit, so this should be the value of 112.5, yes or no, and percent, and we need the value of 100% or 100, we can say. Okay, from this method we can also solve the question. Okay, so you can see, if you solve this question, you will get the value of the similar. See here, 25 3s are okay. If you solve it, 25 4s are great. Okay, and thereafter, see if we can give this 0 as right here. Okay, 25 4s are how much? 100, and thereafter 1 2 5 is we will get. So how much we will get? 25 5s are okay. See, thereafter 3 into 50. And 15 2s are okay. So we will get how much? We will get how much? We will get 200. 200 will be the right answer. Okay, got it, na? So I hope you get this concept. From this method you can also solve the question. Okay, so your answer should be the B part. If the cost price will be how much? 200. If let it be the question is asked like what should be the SP, so you can see this. See, 8, okay, 12 into, we are multiplying here how much? 25, so we will multiply 25 here as well, so this will be 200 and this will be how much? You can say 225, yes or no? So that should be your right answer. Your CP is this one, SP is this one, and thereafter MP should be this one. Okay, so now we will see the next question as well. See the important question. A seller gives a discount of 20%, okay, on a pen and sells it at rupees 960. Okay, see, a seller gives a discount of 20% and sell it at rupees 960. Had he not given the discount, if he had not given the discount, profit would have been 40%. Question is saying profit would have been 40%. If he wants to gain a profit of 15.4% on the cost price of watch, what should be the selling price? Just see, don't use the 960 part. Okay, 960 part will be used later. Okay, so just try to understand. Question is saying seller gives a discount of 20%. Okay, let it be. Okay, whatever you want to write, just take it. Okay, so question is saying a seller gives a discount of 20% on a pen and sells it at rupees 960. Okay, had he not given the discount, profit would have been 40%. Okay, profit would have been how much? 40%. The data here. So see here, a seller gives a discount of 20% on a pen. Okay, and sells it at rupees 960. So 960 is nothing but 960 is the value of 80%. Yes or no? And if we want the value of 100%, so see here, it should be how much? 1200, right? 1200 is what? We can say 1200 is MP, right? Got it now? So now question is saying, had he not given the discount, okay, profit would have been 40%. Profit would have been 40%. Okay. So now if he sell this part as 1200, okay, this 1200 should be the value of what? You can say 140%, because the data is given and there is no link between CP and SP here. That's why we should use the value. We should use the 960 part. So we can say 1200 should be the value of 140%, right? If he, right, got my point. If he wants to gain a profit of what? On the cost price, okay, of 54%. So what we need the value of 154% now. See, if this is what we can say here, this part is what? 1200 should be the value of 140%, and we need the value of 100%. If you multiply it with 100, so we will get what? We can say we will get CP. Now we need what? We need the value of cost price here, cost price of watch. If we want the value, if we want a profit of one means 54%. So this should be sold at 154%. So upon 154 upon 100, right? So now see, if you solve this question, we will get how much? See, this 0 will we can cancel out, and 12 into 14 into 11, we will get how much? 154, right? So 12 into 11 will be how much? You can say 132, and thereafter 10. So our answer should be how much? You can say A should be our answer. Okay, so in this method, see, question is little bit tricky. You have to think like that, where to use the ratio concept, where to use, we should use the value. So these things you will be mastered with this thing only when you do a lots of practice. Okay, so then you can use this concept that in an examination, or if you want to solve the question very easily. So if you have done lots of practice, then you will be able to solve the concept, which concept we should use, so that we can get the answer in minimum time. Okay. Okay, that's it for today's session. Okay, thank you so much. Just like, comment and share. Okay, and just press the bell icon so that you can get the notification at the earliest. Okay, so okay then, thank you so much.